How are you? Okay?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Good, I'm good. Can you put your stuff at the back or you're alright? So we head off to near your school.
Park.
Yeah?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so good? Okay. So even here, add a bit more gas than that as well.
That's too much.
Yeah, so about a bit more? About that much is perfect, yeah?
Okay.
So when you're ready, you look around. So actually, we're not going to actually move off here. We're just going to practice just moving with the gas and the clutch, okay? So we're not going to go into the road. We're just going to stick to the...
forward.
Yeah, we're just going to stick to the left. Yeah? So get into gear 1.
Okay.
Yeah. Let's do with the handbrake off as well, because on a junction, you probably would have your handbrake down, right? When you're trying to move off.
Okay.
Yeah, so handbrake down.
Oh, should I do it now?
Yeah, just handbrake down. We're not going to move off yet. Just
my observations. Or...
yeah, have a look. We're not coming out there though. Yeah, we're just sticking here. Yeah, but check around so you know, make sure there's no one near us.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, handbrake down. Okay, a little bit of gas as well. Okay, and stop there, please. Clutch all the way down. Okay, a bit more gently than that. Yeah. So let's try again, but a bit more gas this time. That wasn't any gas there enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
So press the gas until you can hear it. Bit more than that. Press it. Yeah, and then clutch a tiny bit up. You're trying to keep it really slow. That's good speed. Bring it down a bit on the clutch. Down a bit.
Down a bit.
That's it. And stop there. Yeah, so that was a good amount of gas, and then the clutch was at a good position as well. And then if you feel like the car's going a bit too quick, bring the clutch down again. So that you can use that on turns as well. So let's do a few more.
Okay.
Yeah. And then down a bit on the clutch, because that's a bit quick there, yeah?
Yeah.
We're trying to keep it as slow as you can. Yeah, straighten up, to the right, please. Yeah, stop there. So this time we're going to actually move off and join the road here, yeah?
Okay.
So when you're ready, do your checks. Because we're now moving on, do your checks and do your signal as well when you're ready, yeah?
Okay.
Yeah, turn a bit more to the right so you can join the road. That's good. We're turning left here, please. A bit less gas. A bit less gas. We're turning left here, yeah? Careful your steering. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, turning into here, yeah? Okay, go a bit more to the right because we want to go around this guy. Which way do you want to check first?
Right.
Right, yeah. So just check it and then go around him, yeah? Turn more, please. That's it. Good. Start braking early. What gear are we going to use? Yeah, good. Keep braking more. Start turning. Turn more. More turning. Clutch down a little bit. Okay. Start straighten up. Some more to the right.
Right.
Yeah. And then bring the clutch a bit higher.
Okay.
Let's carry on. Yeah, so if you want to control it, remember you want to bring the clutch down a bit. You're bringing it up too early there again.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So what do you reckon happened at that turn there when we went a bit close to the...
So I lifted the clutch too high. I think because I was trying to use gas at the same time, so I just got a little bit confused.
Okay. So let's try it one more time here again.
Yeah.
And I want to show you how to do it. Let's say you're moving off quick and you feel the car going a bit quick. You want to bring the clutch down a bit as well so that your car doesn't go too fast, okay? So we're going to move off and then bring the clutch down a bit just to control our speed. So we're not going into the road, we're just going to try again on the left, yeah? Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay, when you're ready, so get into 1. So handbrake down because we imagine that we're at a junction here, yeah? So just handbrake down. Handbrake down already before you do anything else, yeah? So we try and move off with a bit of gas, but then this time, as you need to start moving, yeah, so a bit of gas.
Okay, do I lift my clutch?
A tiny bit, yeah, to the right. A bit higher than that. Yeah, and then bring it down a tiny bit, like that. Then up again, and then down a tiny bit. Yeah, not that high up when you bring up, yeah? Bring up again, and then down a tiny bit. There you go. Stop there, please. Brake a bit more, brake a bit more. So we'll try here with a bit of gas as well, yeah? So do the same technique as I showed you. Yeah. That's it. There you go.
Sorry.
What was wrong?
I thought I just went forward a bit.
No, that was good.
Okay.
That was good. Good. And we'll bring the speed down much earlier than this, brake more. But,
Sorry.
yeah, much earlier than that, yeah? Yes, well done. That one was really good.
Thank you.
Well done.
Thank
That
you.
was really good.